Alright, we're working on the new Blackstone Griddle. So I'm out here, I got some sausage cooking. The kid is going to put some batter on. We're going to see how this Blackstone goes. I think we've got it seasoned up right. And let's put some pancake batter on here and see how the stick, no stick part of this works. Alright, that looks pretty good. It's nice and big. Oh, it's not sticking at all. They're going to flip beautifully easy. Let them bubble up a little bit. Like I said, it's a Blackstone. Seasoned a lot of skillets and stuff in my life, so seasoning it went really easy, really well. Seems pretty slick. Some are flipping nice. Don't know that you could flip a pancake better than that. So Dean was I Buy Cool Stuff, and the wife and the kid got me a cool Blackstone grill for Father's Day. Like, comment, subscribe. I really like it. Seems to be working. Cooked a little steak on it last night for the wife. And the pancakes are coming out lovely. No stick style. Just used regular vegetable oil. Nothing special to season it with. Which is what I use for all my regular skillets and stuff. And like, comment, subscribe, and like I always say, God bless you and God bless America.